can't breathe, not because you're scared, because the sand is in your throat, and the roar above you is so loud it has a weight. 70,000 people, all of them screaming for something to die. And right now, that something is you. You don't remember walking out here. You remember the dark corridor, the smell of old blood and hay, the man next to you, Dacian they called him. You never learned his real name, pressing his forehead against the iron gate like a prayer. Then the gate opened, and the light, God the light, hit you like a fist. You are a Tiro, a rookie. You've trained for 8 months. 8 months of sword drills, shield work, waking up bleeding, going to sleep bleeding, being told that pain is just your body lying to you. 8 months, and nothing prepared you for this. The crowd is not a crowd. It's a living thing. It breathes. It pulses. Every time someone in the arena moves, you feel 70,000 bodies shift in response, like a tide waiting to break. Look up. Go on. Look. The Emperor's box is draped in purple. Someone up there, you can't see his face, already knows how this ends. You don't. Your opponent walks out from the opposite gate. He is enormous, not tall, dense, like something quarried out of rock and taught to hate. He's a Secutor. Full helmet, heavy shield, short sword designed for one thing: close quarters, no escape, no distance. Get in, get done. He's done this before. You can tell by the way he walks. No hesitation, no panic. He scans the sand in front of him, the way you'd scan a room you already own. He finds you, stops, tilts his head. The editor, the man who paid for all of this, sitting in the front row in a white toga, raises his hand. The crowd goes quiet, not silent, never silent, but quiet in the way a held breath is quiet. And in that almost silence, you hear your own heartbeat. Fast, too fast, way too fast. He charges, no warning, no circling, just charges. And your body does something your brain didn't authorize. It moves. 8 months of drilling, 8 months of being screamed at in 3 languages. Your body just moves. Shield up, step left. Let him come past. He doesn't. He adjusts mid-charge, faster than something that size should be able to adjust, and his shield hits yours like a battering ram. You're on the ground. You don't know how. You're just on the ground. Sand in your mouth now, not just your throat. Get up, get up. The crowd makes a sound you've never heard a human crowd make. It's not cheering, it's anticipation, like they've seen this moment before, and they know what comes next, and they want it. He's standing over you. You can hear him breathing through the helmet's grate. Slow, controlled. You scramble backwards, feet, hands, anything, and you get upright, because dying on your back in front of 70,000 people feels somehow worse than dying standing. Stupid thought, really stupid thought. You circle, he lets you. That's the terrifying part. He lets you, like he's in no hurry, like this is already over and he's just performing the ending for the crowd. Here's what they don't tell you in training. The sand is not flat. It's been raked, but underneath, there are furrows and ridges, and in one corner, you can already see it, a dark, wet patch. Someone bled there before you. Someone bled a lot. They don't clean it between fights. This is the 4th bout today. You are walking on the end of someone else's story. And they didn't walk out. He feints left. You fall for it completely. His sword arm comes across. Not to stab, to slap the flat of the blade across your shoulder. And you understand then. You understand. He's not trying to kill you. Not yet. He's performing. He's giving the crowd what they paid for. He's playing with you Don't get angry. Your trainer's voice, somewhere in the back of your skull. Anger makes you stupid. You're angry. You're so angry. Another feint. This time, you don't move. You absorb the hit. It costs you. Your arm goes half numb, but you stay on your feet and you counter. Not perfectly, not even close to perfectly, but the tip of your sword catches him across the thigh. Not deep, not dangerous, but real. He steps back, looks down, looks at you, and in the darkness behind the helmet's visor, something shifts. The crowd erupts. Not for you. They've just remembered that this is real, that these are real blades, real blood, and they love it. They love it. 70,000 people in this building on any given day. They built it to hold that many, engineered it, planned it, for the explicit purpose of watching human beings die in comfort. There are vendors selling food up in the stands right now. There are senators with their wives. There are children. Children. He comes at you again. No more performance. The feints are gone. This is real now. He's driving you backwards toward the wall. And you know because your trainer told you. Never let them pin you against the wall. But knowing and stopping it are different. Very different things. Your back hits the barrier. Stone. Solid. Nowhere. His shield comes up under your chin and your head snaps back. Stars. Actual stars in midday light. You taste blood. Your own blood. He raises his sword arm. The crowd goes quiet again. That horrible, anticipatory quiet. Wait. He stops. Looks up. You look up. The editor in the front row is looking at the crowd, reading them. This is when you learn the thing no one told you. The thing that changes everything. You have no say in whether you live or die today. None. The editor decides. The crowd advises. The emperor, if he's watching, can override everyone. You are the only person in this entire building who has no vote in your own survival.